Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this first step, we're going to prepare our delicious cinnamon bagel dough. Start by combining warm water, active dry yeast, and a touch of sugar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your bread flour, salt, and ground cinnamon. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients, then knead the dough for a full 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise for 1 hour. Now that our dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape our bagels. Gently divide the dough into 8 equal portions, aiming for about 4 ounces each for consistent size. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly to form that classic bagel shape. Next, we'll boil them. Prepare a pot of water with 1 tablespoon of malt barley syrup and boil each bagel for 1 minute per side. This step gives them their signature chewy texture. With our bagels boiled, let's get them ready for the oven. First, prepare your irresistible cinnamon sugar topping by whisking together 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Next, brush each boiled bagel with a simple egg wash. This helps the topping adhere and gives them a beautiful golden sheen. Generously sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture over each bagel. Finally, bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes, until golden brown. Congratulations, you've made homemade cinnamon bagels. The aroma filling your kitchen must be incredible. Once they come out of the oven, it's crucial to let them cool completely on a wire rack. This allows the crust to set and the interior to achieve that perfect chewy texture. Serve these warm, delightful bagels with a generous smear of cream cheese, a pat of butter, or simply enjoy them plain. They are absolutely perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any time you crave a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.